Hello, all dear friends. Are you feeling tired or lacking energy? Maybe it's time to cleanse your body. In this video, we will learn how to detoxify our body and feel better with natural and healthy foods. Stay with me until the end of the video, because we are going to learn some great tips. Our bodies naturally have the ability to detoxify, but consuming processed foods, pollution, and daily stress can slow down this process. Detoxification helps the body function better, improves our digestive system, and improves our skin and energy. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and helps cleanse the liver. Drink a glass of warm water with a few drops of lemon in the morning to start the detoxification process. Green tea is high in antioxidants that help detoxify the body and increase metabolism. These vegetables remove toxins from the digestive tract due to their high fiber and mineral content. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties and is great for cleansing the liver. You can add it to your daily meals. Drinking enough water is the most important part of detoxification. Drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Now, let's make a delicious smoothie together that will help detoxify the body. Half a cup of spinach, half a green apple, juice of 1 lemon, a pinch of fresh ginger, a glass of coconut water or plain water. Mix everything together and enjoy. Dear friends, detoxifying the body with natural foods is not only simple and affordable, but it also greatly contributes to the overall health of our body. If you know of any other detox foods, be sure to let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. I look forward to your comments.